Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. Today I'm here with an EDC video. I'm going to show you my everyday carry so far. I'm just getting into it a little bit, so I know I don't have everything, and it's all still kind of budget items. Nothing super good. I'm just kind of upping it as I go. I've been kind of working on it. I'm still kind of new at the EDC thing, so bear with me. I just want to show you where I'm at, and if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments, what I should upgrade, what I should ditch, what I should add, you know, whatever. It's just like I said, I'm just getting into it. I'm still kind of new to it. I'm also going to show you some of my old EDCs possibly, or what sometimes there's a rotation, so I'll show you both of my rotation. But start with the knife. This is the one I used to use this one a lot. I used to use it at work. It's a flipper. I got it free. Like I said, I'm into the budget thing. Most of my stuff is cheap. I got it for free when I bought a tool from Cornwell. It was, buy this tool, you get a free knife. So I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. I used it to work a lot. You know, I use it for work. It's a flipper. It opens really easily. I mean, you don't have to give it hardly any kind of pressure whatsoever, and it comes right open. No bind on the, just kind of a little bit right there on closing. Closes really good, really easily. But I put it to some serious use. It's already losing screws. When it's open, it's kind of loose right there, so I don't know how much more I'm going to use it. It's really big and bulky and heavy. It's not really a good, in my opinion, not a good EDC. Because like I said, it's big and bulky, but it's a good knife. I mean, it's been a good knife. It held up for a long time. It does have a kind of a deep pocket clip, so not much of the knife hangs out, but it's just so big and bulky, and it's hard to conceal if there's something if you don't want people to know you've got a knife on you. But anyway, that was one of my old ones. It's a work one. Sometimes I still use it, but it gets in the way. I put it in the same pocket as my phone usually, and this thing here put a crack in my phone when it was in my pocket, so I had to find a different pocket for it or my phone if I'm using the same. See, it's even kind of getting loose right there. So I've put this to good use. I think it's about time to retire it. Just add it to the collection. Another EDC knife is this. It's a Kershaw Emerson. I think it's the CTC5. This most likely will become my new work knife. It's quite a bit smaller, but it's not a flipper, but it's an easy open. Work to work because of that, it leaves a lot of the knife poking out. So, and at work, I don't really care if people know I have a pocket knife, because it's at work, and I use knives a lot at work when I'm at work. So my last knife in the rotation so far is this CRKT. It's the LCK version. It's a really lightweight. This is more when I'm just out and about in town, kind of dressed nice, more business, when I want to try and conceal it. It's got a really deep belt pocket clip there, so it really hides, and it's really lightweight. You can hardly, sorry about that. But anyway, these open up and make your handle a little bigger, so that's nice. It does have a broken blade on it. My other one, a little bigger, kind of depends on what I'm doing. This is kind of the same deal, just a little bit bigger. It's cheap. Again, got it for free at a Kohler seminar that I went to. So I'm into the cheap stuff. Cheap. That's my thing. It depends, you know, this one clips to the belt, this one fits in the pocket, so it kind of depends on what I'm doing, where I'm going, what kind of clothes I'm wearing. So, flashlight, Just a little stream light, little pin light, pocket light. I know the Olight is a good brand. I know there's other lights. Let me know in the comments what you think. If there's a better light. I wear glasses, so I always keep one of these eyeglass cleaners. Handkerchief, I usually just keep one of those. I keep some sanitizer close. I may not always keep it on me, but I always keep it close in the van, in the truck, in the toolbox, you know, whatever. A little pen. This is a kind of cool pen. My girlfriend bought this for me. It's a work pen. It's not really a tactical pen, but it's a work pen. It's got a little level, a ruler, stylus on the end. Pull this off. Turns into a little mini screwdriver. Kind of handy. It's not like a serious work tool, but it's kind of cool. You know, it's always good to keep a pen on you. Last couple things. Chapstick. Always got to have a pair of chapstick, pair of sunglasses, and again I wear eyeglasses, so these are prescription sunglasses. And if I'm not out playing hard, I'm always wearing a pair of steel toe boots. I know it's kind of hard to see, but steel toe boots. And I know this next one's kind of controversial to some people, because they're not really, some people are kind of not into this thing, but I'm in a constitutional carry state, so when I do have to carry, I usually go with the Springfield Hellcat. It's kept it open, so we know it's safe. Carry that, and depending on what I wear, I've got the 11 round or the 13 round magazine, and I usually will carry it in an inside the waistband holster. From Tolster, the Tolster holster. Kind of cool. So this is probably the most expensive thing in my carry. See, with that, with the 11 round, it kind of gives you a little bit more concealability. But most of the time when I'm in normal clothes that I wear, I can conceal it with the 13 round. It gives you a little better grip there. Or the 11 round, it still gives you the good grip, but it with the butt of it there. But anyway, that's my carry. I know some of you are kind of not really into the firearms, and I'm not going to get a whole lot into firearms because it's controversial. I know a lot of you know, have mixed feelings about firearms, so I'm not going to get a lot of that. But and the ammo, it's a Hornady Critical Defense. That's the ammo I carry for no reason, just because I went to the store and that's what they had, and it's been good so far. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything else I should put. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Every little bit helps. Comment what I missed, what I should add, what I can change, what I can upgrade. And I will see you next time.